Happy birthday, Julie. Hope you have a great day and a wonderful birthday. Peace, love, and always. God bless. Happy birthday, Julie.
Hello! This is Sunny Sipcon. Ayan, gusto ko lang batiin ang aking magandang sis, magandang kapatid sa YouTube na si Juliet Basulti ng happy birthday, sis. Ayan, ilang taon na ba? At ano ba ang iyong handa ngayon? Ayan, gusto ko lang mag-request sa iyo ng Forever by Kenny Loggins. Alam mo na ba yun? Ayan. So, happy birthday uli. Pasensya na sis ha. Hindi ako makaakyat sa mga live streaming nyo para kumanta. Wala sira yung aking computer. Sana makabili na uli ako ng bago. Ayan. Happy birthday uli. Ayan. Enjoy your day. Stay happy and beautiful. Bye-bye.
Hello, Julie. Guwapang Julie. Happy birthday sa you, my dear. And I hope and pray that you always fine and especially your family. And go ka lang sa channel mo because you are the number one activo sa Team International. And we love you always, especially me. I'm your sister. Love you.
Hello, sis Guapa Julie. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, so happy birthday sis. Ayan, so sana ngayong araw na to ay mapuno ng kaligayahan ng iyong puso at sana matupad ang lahat ng mga wini-wish mo sa araw na to. Ayan, so maraming salamat sis sa lahat ng suporta sa ating team. Thank you so much at mangingi na rin akong pasensya kung hindi man ako masyadong nakakasupport sa ating lahat dahil nga ang busy ang inyong kaibigan na teacher. Ayan, so bawi na lang ako pagka nagkaroon ng maluwag na schedule. Ayan, so once again sis, happy birthday and sana marami pa tayong pagsamahan dito sa YT World. Ayan, so thank you once again and happy birthday. I love you!
Happy birthday San Pedro Julieta El Humba Master Queen Humba. Happy birthday and congratulations. More birthdays to come. See you in your next live streaming. Guapa Julie Yahoo!
Hi, Miss Juliet. Surprise! Ganun surprise daw. Ayan, syempre. Araw mo na naman. So, nakailang greet na ba ako sa'yo? Pero, nung never pa ako nakakain ng handa mo. O, diba? Ay, galing naman. Birthday mo na naman. Ayan, pero maganda pa rin. Ayan, pataas ng pataas ang AIDS. Pero, paganda pabata yung mukha. O, diba? Ayan, si Miss Juliet, ang magandang babae sa balat ng YouTube. Happy birthday, Miss Juliet. Ayan, enjoy your day. And God bless.
Hi, Sister Jolie. I wish you a birthday, happy birthday always. And God bless you always. Take care of yourself and enjoy your birthday. Bye-bye.
May gusto lang akong bati na magbe-birthday ngayong December. Isa sa kaibigan ko dito sa YT. Walang iba kundi si Sis Julie. Sis Julie, happy birthday sa'yo. Thank you sa pagiging ikaw. Thank you sa pagiging kaibigan. Hindi tayo naghiwalay since nagkakilala tayo. Sana tuloy-tuloy ang success mo sa buhay. And then sana maging masaya ka sa araw ng birthday mo. Ingatan mo yung kalusugan mo, Sis Julie. And then, tandaan mo, nandito ako. One call away lang ako, Sis Julie. Salamat sa pagiging, what do you call this? Pagiging kaibigan, yes, salamat. Kasi nakilala kita, I think 2 years na since nagkakilala tayo, if I'm not mistaken. Hindi ka nagbago. Thank you sa mga oras na yun, Sis Julie. Thank you so much talaga sa pagiging supportive. Thank you sa pagiging pakinig. Basta, again, happy birthday sa'yo. Ingat ka lagi and wish you all the best in life. Of course, happiness. Enjoy the most. Happy birthday. See ya.
Hey, Julie, I hear it's your birthday, but I had a party on the weekend. And have a look. Look, you can have a party here. Anyway, wish you a happy birthday. Hope you have a great day. And I'll tell you what, I can't keep up with your live streams, I'll tell you right now. 24/7, you're a ghost. Anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you on your live stream soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, Julie. It's me, Joseph Fields. Happy birthday! Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Julie. Maniniot. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a great day today. Enjoy your day. I wish you many more birthdays to come and more success to your YouTube channel and good health always. God bless.
Papa Julie, Malipayong Adlaw Natauhan. Happy birthday, Guapa Julie. Yeah, I'm so glad to be here on your birthday. I always want to be here for you. I want to be here on your birthday. I hope you're doing great. Yeah, you're still beautiful, Guapa Julie. And yeah, you're always going to be beautiful. Thank you so much for singing with me every night. I didn't know when I clicked on your YouTube channel that I would be singing with you every night, but I really love it, and I hope you have a great birthday, Guapa Julie, and I hope I'm here for many more of your birthdays. Yeah, thank you, Guapa Julie.
Hi, Julie, happy birthday. It's your friend, Sneaker Dan, greeting you on this very important day of your life. So, it's 12 a.m., so it's your birthday now. So, what I can wish for is, of course, more energy, because you're always energetic when you're trying to do live stream, and then of course more patience, because you know, you're dealing with different types of people when you're doing live stream, so it would be carrying a lot of patience with talking to them, and of course making them happy about your live stream. And with your current attitude right now, being always positive, you can be sure that you will manage and enjoy the YouTube live streams that you're having right now, and you're actually getting a lot of good things from it as well. All right, but anyway, again, it's me, Sneaker Dan, greeting you on this birthday of you, and all the blessings, all the happiness, and all the good things coming your way. So again, Sneaker Dan, peace out.
Hi, sweetie. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, happy birthday, sweetie. Ang wish na ko para sa mo is sana healthy ka always, of course. Yan man naman lagi yung gusto natin, na healthy tayo palagi at masaya ang buong pamilya. And yeah, enjoy lang palagi ang buhay. Enjoy mo lang yung always na pagla-live mo. And na-miss kita. Yeah, na-miss kita. Sobra. Andyan lang ako. Nakasupport palagi sa iyo. Ayan, nakasupport ako sa inyo ni Suon, ni Grandma, and sa'yo. Oo. Hindi niyo man ako nakikita, pero andyan lang ako. And yeah, salamat sa friendship na even hindi na tayo masyadong nagkukwentuhan, hindi na tayo palaging nag-uusap, wala na tayong hindi na ako palaging nakabisita sa mga live ninyo, hindi na ako masyadong nagpaparamdam sa live, pero ako pa rin yung sweetie mo. Ayan, kaibigan pa rin kita. Hindi naman yung sukatan yung pagiging supportive mo na kaibigan para matawag lang na kaibigan tayo. Kaibigan kita kahit na walang komunikasyon, manatili ka pa rin. Ikaw yung sweetie ko, always. And yeah, enjoy lang ang buhay. Enjoy your day, enjoy your birthday, and more blessings to come, more palipads to come, and more friends to meet, mga new friends na na-meet mo. Masaya ako makita kang masaya habang nakikipag-jamming sa mga bago mong kaibigan. Ayan. I love you. Ikaw pa rin ang sweetie ko. Happy birthday!
Hello, Julie Guapa. Hope you're having a great birthday. This is your sissy Joyax Mayora, wishing you more blessings while singing and so alive while live. I'm glad to know you and become your friend, and will keep you forever as my friendly live streamer.
Happy birthday.